Hi viewers, this video will teach you how you can connect your Canva app to the Gemini app. Do you make use of Canva for your designs and you need AI assistance? Then this video will show you how you can easily connect your Canva app to the Gemini app. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and like. Let's get right into it. Open your Gemini app. Click on the hamburger menu at the top left and click on the settings icon at the bottom right. Select the connected apps and then click on the other button. Then scroll down to Canva. Click on the learn more button and then click the connect button to connect to Canva. Click continue. Agree and continue. Then allow the connection. The authorization is successful. So you can see we have successfully connected Gemini and Canva app together. So if you want to disconnect, simply click on the disconnect button to disconnect. And then you can always toggle it on and off whenever you want to make use of it or you don't want to make use of the connection. So I can toggle it on and then ask it to connect. And let's generate an image. So it's connecting to Canva. And we have our image right here. So please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.